Who is the great Indonesian composer? Ismail Marzuki, the great Indonesian composer. Ismail Marzuki was born on May 12, 1914 to well-off parents living in Jakarta. His father did not want Ismail to become a musician and expected him to work as an office worker. Ismail went through primary and secondary education at Holland in Lancet School and made Ajkabrut Lahari Underwise, educational institution that only the native elite could enter. In his school environment, Ismail Marzuki was often called Mail, Maing, Bang Maing by his peers. He grew up in Jakarta as one of the children born into a native Betawi family. At the age of 17, he entered the world of music. Ismail had a deep interest in the arts. The first song Ismail wrote was Osarina, written in Dutch, which symbolized the oppressed lives of Indonesians during colonial era and was a tribute to the simple life of the people. In 1940, Ismail Marzuki married Elis Juraida, who was the belle of the music club in Bandung.
In the 1950 years, after the handover of sovereignty of the Republic of Indonesia, Ismail Marzuki returned to Jakarta to lead Orchestra Studio Jakarta. With whom does he form Orchestra Studio Jakarta? Its members included prominent musicians such as Sardi, father of violist Idris Sardi, Yahya M. Sagi, Kusbini, Nico, Mateus, and others. During the independence period, development in the arts also received attention, especially in the field of music. Syaiful Bahri and Iskandar from RRI Jakarta acted as leaders of keroncong music in Jakarta. Syaiful Bahri later served as the leader of Orchestra Studio Jakarta. With more than 50 musicians as members, Syaiful Bahri, Iskandar, and Ismail Marzuki began writing musical agreements for Orchestra Radio Jakarta. Impact on the music industry. Ismail Marzuki creative work have had a significant impact on the music industry in Indonesia. His songs reflect the feeling and experience of the Indonesian people, enrich the cultural heritage of local music. Inspiration of young artist Ismail Marzuki creative work are inspiration for many young artists in the Indonesia. They appreciate the sustainability and the uniqueness of the song created by Ismail Marzuki, and they feel inspired to create their own works of art. Raising cultural awareness through his work, Ismail Marzuki helped raise awareness of the importance of Indonesian musical cultural heritage.
His life journey was not so long because he died at a young age. Ismail Marzuki died at the age of 44. So, he took part and played a role in the world of music as a musician and as a composer for approximately 27 years. He started as a musician and was able to create his first creative work entitled Osarina at the age of 17 years, precisely in 1931. During this period of time, no less than 240 songs have been created. Moral message that can be taken from Ismail Marzuki. Number 1. Ismail Marzuki created songs and played music not just to satisfy his talent, but he created songs by making his poem climb literary achievement and stunning language struggles. Number 2. Ismail Marzuki, although his struggle was not by using weapons, he fought for the Indonesian state through music and literature, which succeeded in making Indonesian proud. Number 3. The songs he made contain the spirit of the fighters not only in his day, but also in the present and future, which every time they are played remain evocative and can bring back the sociocultural painting of the revolution, memories of the struggle and the spirit of 45.